All right, it's the next day and I'm back at the Lotus Pond. I'm gonna walk the other way around it, see what else this place has to offer. Had to call it quits yesterday because, as you can see, it was getting dark, and with dusk comes mosquitoes, and I can feel myself getting bit. And I really didn't want to be just a 6'4" buffet of white meat for a whole bunch of mosquitoes. So, pick up where we left off. All right, so that was the south side of Lotus Pond. This is the Kaohsiung Confucius Temple, the south side of it. So you can see everybody's out kind of enjoying it, enjoying the Sunday. A lot of people spinner rod fishing. This guy's taking pictures of his buddy, probably for his Tinder profile, maybe his Grindr profile. I'm not going to discriminate and say it's one or the other.
Hello guys.
Oh, he's taking one. Probably got him. What's up, man? How are you?
Where you from?
What's that?
Where you from?
I'm from America, man.
You vlogger or YouTubers?
What's that?
You YouTubers?
YouTube? YouTube verse. Yeah.
What is your channel?
It's called
Maybe
Harry.
subscribe you.
It's called Harry X Hemispheres, man.
Okay. I show your channel.
It's not that big. Now look, we're ruining their pictures, man. They're gonna get me in the background of their pictures. What are you guys doing? You guys taking pictures for your Tinder profile or what?
What is your channel?
Here. Let's see.
Where you from?
I'm from America.
From America.
Yeah, man.
I'm from Ngawi. You know Ngawi?
From where?
From Ngawi. You know Ngawi?
Navi?
Indonesia is Java.
Oh.
It's Java.
Oh.
It's Java, Indonesia.
Okay. Where in Indonesia?
It's Java, Surabaya.
Oh, Surabaya?
Bali.
Oh, Bali. Yeah, I've been to Bali. Okay,
Yes.
yeah.
You know Bali?
Yeah, I was there 3 years ago.
Beautiful island.
Yeah, man, it was cool. I was supposed to fly out of there. I was supposed to go there in April, but you guys closed the border.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's funny, man.
Thank you.
Cool. Yeah, have a good one, guys.
Thank you.
See ya. Cool, now I have 54 subscribers, not 53, so. One of the things I've noticed here in Taiwan is that a lot of homeless people tend to hang out around the temples. And some of the homeless people I've seen have scooters like that guy back there. At least they're mobile homeless people. A little bit harder to live in your scooter than it is in your car, though. The east side of Lotus Pond. A big blob jump is what that says. So you go up to the top, you jump off, you bounce off of that thing in the water right there. Looks kind of fun. It also looks kind of closed right now. No idea why all these women want pictures in front of this. That's the side of a coffee shop. Huh. This is the Zhuoying Yandi Temple, a temple to one of the legendary warriors in Chinese history. I like how he's throwing up the horns. And of course, no temple to legendary warriors is complete without donkey rides for children. Hello Kitty peacock. Okay. That about sums up Lotus Pond. Pretty much back to where I caught the Uber yesterday, so we'll keep filming somewhere else. Oh, there goes a stork. Or a crane, rather. Who knows? I don't even know the difference between a stork and a crane. They're both birds. There's a little turtle right there. I don't know if you can see him. He's hanging by himself. Oh, there's a turtle right there too. Surrounded by fish. He's getting bullied by that school of fish.